how to add a logo and thumbnail in Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv into your preferred browser and then sign in to your Beehiiv account. Now once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Now on the settings page, head over into the general info section, and then in here you'll be able to upload your publication logo along with your default thumbnail preview. So you need to basically upload it on this section. So I'll simply use Pixel and the web to search for a logo that I want for my Beehiiv newsletter. So you can also create it simply on Canva if you want it to be personalized, but I'll simply get some from the web, since this actually just for an example, and then I'll simply download a background from Pexels to make sure that it is copyright free. So simply search for pexels.com into your browser, and then in here you can go ahead and search for a specific type of image that you want to get. So you can use their search bar or use these filters available in here to simply look for a photo that you want to use. Once you have selected a photo, simply click on that photo and then click on this free download button at the top right to download it to your device, and then head back to Beehiiv and then click on this upload publication logo and then click on your publication logo, and then make sure to upload as well your thumbnail preview. And then once you're done with this, you can go ahead and try accessing your site, and you'll be able to find this photo that you've uploaded as your publication logo at the top of your screen and as a fave icon of your site. And that is how you can basically add a logo and thumbnail in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.